Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Oh, abasi. You are going to be that man. Who follow me in the yard? Say you don't do. Say me see you do. I don't want to go. You go. Come here now. Come on, say you must make it. Come on, be some messy.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
You will never let me fall down. Jehovah Naka.
And true.
All the seasons of life.
All the seasons of life.
I will love you.
I will love you.
Yeah.
This is love. Cherish and cling to you.
Cherish and cling to you.
And offer you.
And offer you
My unflinching support.
my unflinching support
And loyalty.
and loyalty.
Forsaking all others.
All others,
As long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
And loyalty.
And loyalty.
Forsaking. All others. As long as we both.
As long as we both.
Shall live. Amen. Anyway, the online neighbor sent me something. No, I didn't say she said that. They sent me something. They said, look at her well. Kipo Talishka. It's where you always are.
Is that God will cause you to marry your own husband. And I pray this prayer in the morning in the afternoon, in the night. I've enjoyed marriage for 30 years. My husband have not beaten me for 1 day. Has never stopped my ministry. Has never given me depression.
It's just a scratch at the back. You are going beautiful places. Your future is bigger than what the world is seeing now. I decree this marriage will last.
Would not throw those flowers to just one person, but I want to share it to every one of you to let you know that I love you all so much.
We love you. We love you.
And that you are important.
Yes.
Nobody should make you feel less of yourself.
Thank you. That's lady.
You are an asset.
Woo.
You are beautiful.
Praise.
You are loved.
Hey.
You are the apple of God's eye.
Woo.
I believe that God would not just grant you your heart desires,
Amen.
but that the will of God for your life be done in Jesus' name.
Amen.
As I share this rose round, I'm just going to be saying congratulations to you.
Amen.
Congratulations in advance.
Amen. Going to your husband's house. I'm going to.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.